Liara running away from her problems?
I think that's a 5-year-old.
Is this Liara's small sister running away from her problems?
I'm pretty sure Liara is not a recurring character.
You don't know.
I mean, I have seen this before, but you're right, I have no idea.
Is that Chucky 10?
Chucky 10 and a half. Toby.
Can Leatherboy be especially mean to Toby? I need this to stop right here and now. Nip it in the bud.
Nip Toby and his little bud.
Stop that. Deleted. Blocked.
That's fucking long way to go. Oh my fucking
He's
god.
too
Leatherboy.
good.
Could you be normal?
He's really extra.
Can you be normal?
Is that paradise? It looks like crap.
Fuck. Now what?
Whose fault
We've
is
been
this?
walking for like 2 hours.
Whose idea was this? Is that Dark Chucky, the one sitting on the barrel?
Yeah. Dark
Nega Chucky. God, everything scares you, Toby.
Leave him alone.
His hair's almost the same color as his jacket. But everyone you bring me is a frickin' wolf and I need thumbs.
Zally? Oh my.
His name is Zally.
Zally.
That's real close to Sally.
That's real bad. I want Leatherboy to leave.
So now we're gonna hold the vote on who gets kicked out of the pack.
Who gets voted off the island?
All votes for Leatherboy say aye.
Aye. He's dragging everybody down. He's a bellyacre.
All of our outfits kind of go together except for his. It's too ridiculous.
It's too ridiculous.
Our outfits are kind of normal.
I mean, if he can cover up his shoulders or he can cover up his midriff. He cannot leave both out.
I really struck a chord with Kaiba.
Did you see his nose?
I did.
His eyes and his nose got wider.
He was smelling and seeing so much at once. Whoa, 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 whoa. It's over now, but
What?
Toby's crotchular region was looking
I
like
saw-
Timmy's
I
mom in the
saw
Fairly Odd
that.
Parents. Oh, for the love of God.
Oh, whoa, he got fucked up, didn't he?
Oh my God. Look what you've done, old guy. You've
Made him go
roused
Super Saiyan.
the protag.
He roused the protag. Oh.
Got this dog in a headlock, quick.
Little leather bitch. Ripped straight from Pornhub.